Hey, thank you for joining Uncle Mike for this issue of the Dow Directions for February 13th, a Friday. Let's take a look at where we ended up. Again, like I said yesterday, we should close hopefully above the 23.6 and above the moving averages, and you can see the moving averages held. The 23.6 fib held also, and we're stuck right in here in all this indecision with banking and with the stimulus package. So hopefully next week we'll get a little clarity, and we're either going to go one direction or the other. Slowly work our way up or test the lows back in November. You can see that we have the T8 at 8,024. It's right at the 23.6 fib. We have the 20 EMA at 8114, a little above our head, and then the 50 EMA, which is right here, and that is 83.85, which is also at the 50% retracement level. So look for a lot of resistance at the 83.85 if we get there. Okay, let's take a look at let's do the trend line analysis. Short term, the trend line had a downtrend pointing at 87.24, which it has broken, and we're going to have some difficulty piercing that level. But first we have to worry about that 50 period EMA. Let's take a look at the candlestick. It's just really a black-bodied candlestick today. During the past 10 bars, there have been 5 white candlesticks, 5 black candles. Pretty even. And then during the past 50 bars, there's been 23 white candles, 27 black candles, for a net of 4 black candles. Let's look at our relative strength index. Currently, the relative strength index is at 40.11. And if you recall, the bottom, actually the top is 70, so anything above 70 is overbought, below 30 is oversold, and we're right in the middle. And based on the index, the last signal was a buy 85 periods ago, so you can see how long we've kind of drifted in the middle. Let's look at our Chande chart checkup, which the price bias is downward. Intermediate and short term prices are trending. Based on the Chande chart checkup, the upper bound is 83.34. Again, a little bit below that 50 period moving average. Lower bound is 73.28. And our last is the REC Takasuji profile. Dow closed down 89.36 today. Volume was below average and consolidating. Bollinger Bands were 63% narrower than normal. The short-term technical outlook right now is neutral. The intermediate and long-term are bearish. The Dow is currently 23.8% below its 200 period moving average, which is moving in a downward trend. The volume indicated by inflows and outflows in the Dow is about neutral. The trend oscillator is currently bearish and has been that way for the last 20 periods. And the prices have set a new 14-period low in the momentum oscillator has not. So we're getting some bullish divergence based on that. Well, thank you for joining Uncle Mike for the Dow Directions this Friday evening. Have a great weekend. Please visit me again Monday evening, and I may have something posted Sunday night. I may take a look at longer term charts in the Dow and do a quick update for you. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.